Hey friends, and welcome back to Tripinn, your go-to place for discovering the most beautiful, bizarre, and breathtaking travel experiences across the globe. Today, we're diving into the wildest corners of cultural tradition with a list that's strange, hilarious, and even jaw-dropping. Get ready for 11 truly bizarre festivals around the world we can't believe exist. Let's go. La Tomatina, Spain. Every August in Buñol, Spain, over 20,000 people take to the streets for a food fight of epic proportions. We're talking about La Tomatina, where more than 100 tons of tomatoes are hurled across the town square in a giant, squishy, red mess. It all began in 1945 during a parade when a scuffle broke out and tomatoes were thrown. A spontaneous protest that locals loved so much, they've been doing it ever since. World Bog Snorkeling Championships, Wales. Snorkeling through a swamp? Only in Wales. At the World Bog Snorkeling Championships in Llanwydyd, Wales, competitors dive into muddy trenches wearing snorkels and flippers to race through a peat bog. What started as a quirky pub challenge in the 1970s is now one of the world's weirdest sporting events. No traditional strokes allowed, just pure flipper power. It's wet, wild, and absolutely entertaining. Monkey Buffet Festival, Thailand. Ever seen a buffet thrown for monkeys? In Lopburi, Thailand, the sacred macaques are treated like royalty during the Monkey Buffet Festival. The tradition began in the 1980s to honor the monkeys, believed to bring good luck and prosperity. Locals now offer over 4,000 kilograms of fruit and treats, and the furry guests? They show up in style, and sometimes cause a little chaos. El Colacho, Baby Jumping Festival, Spain. In Castrillo de Murcia, Spain, new parents lay their babies on mattresses, while men dressed as devils literally leap over them. Yes, it's real. Called El Colacho, this 400-year-old ritual dates back to 1620, blending Catholic and local traditions. It's believed to cleanse infants of original sin and protect them from evil spirits. It might look dangerous, but no injuries have ever been reported. Cooper's Hill Cheese Rolling, England. What would you do for a wheel of cheese? In Gloucestershire, people throw themselves down a steep hill chasing a rolling block of double Gloucester cheese. The first person to catch it wins, or just survives the tumble. Injuries are common. Dignity, not so much. Kanamara Matsuri, Japan. Every April, the streets of Kawasaki, Japan, are filled with phallic-shaped floats. That's right. The Festival of the Steel Phallus celebrates fertility, health, and safe childbirth. It's bold, it's colorful, and it features everything from sweets to statues, all shaped like, well, you get the idea. Boryeong Mud Festival, South Korea. This one's all about getting dirty, on purpose. The Boryeong Mud Festival began as a way to promote mineral-rich mud products. Now, it's a full-on party with mud wrestling, slides, races, and live music. Over 2 million visitors come every summer to play in the mud and leave with silky smooth skin. Night of the Radishes, Mexico. In Oaxaca, Mexico, December 23rd turns into a vegetable art show. During the Night of the Radishes, locals carve enormous radishes into detailed scenes, nativity stories, animals, mythical creatures, and compete for prizes. It's festive, creative, and surprisingly beautiful for something carved from salad. Takanakuy, Peru. Fist fights on Christmas? In Chumbivilcas, Peru, the Takanakuy festival sees locals settle disputes with bare-knuckle brawls right in the town square. It's all done with mutual respect, and after the fight, the rivals shake hands and celebrate together. Call it a fresh start for the new year, the Peruvian way. Battle of the Oranges, Italy. Welcome to Ivrea, Italy, home of the world's largest orange food fight. This wild battle reenacts a 12th century rebellion, with teams hurling oranges at each other across city squares. It's juicy, chaotic, and deeply historical. Just don't forget your helmet. Holi, India. Color, chaos, and pure joy. That's Holi in India. Known as the Festival of Colors, Holi marks the arrival of spring and the victory of good over evil. People take to the streets, throwing vibrant powders, splashing water, and dancing to music. But it's more than just fun. Holi has deep roots in Hindu mythology, especially the legend of Prahlad and Holika. It's one of the world's most joyful and visually stunning festivals, and everyone's invited. And that's it! 11 truly bizarre festivals from around the world we honestly can't believe are real. Which one would you dare to experience? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more offbeat adventures only on Tripinn.